How to fix Botim app not connecting. To fix the Botim app not connecting, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, you want to check your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So go to your settings on your device, tap on network and internet from the list, and go to internet. Here, what you want to do is simply turn off your router, or maybe a Wi-Fi that you're connected to, or mobile data that you're connected to, and then restart or refresh. That should be able to help you out fix. Similarly, other than that, what you also want to do is, if you're using any sort of VPN or any sort of proxy, you want to disable that, or maybe do the vice versa thing, and that should also be able to help. If the issue still persists on, you could also try deleting the Botim app and then reinstalling it, and at the same time restart your device. That is also going to help you out fix the issue. Despite doing all these steps, if nothing works out, then you could reset your network settings. For that, you want to do the same thing, that is, go to settings on your device, and then you want to click on network and internet, after which you just want to what you want to do is simply go to system, and at the bottom of the page you have these reset option. Click that out, and then here comes the reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure to click on it and enable this. Now then, once again reconnect to the Wi-Fi or mobile data that you are connected to. That should be able to help. Despite doing all this, you could also try checking for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. Head over to your respective app store, type in Botim on the search bar, and update the app to the latest version. If nothing works out, then it could be an issue from the server itself. You could also check it, or you could also check it through a down detector. That should be able to help. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.